Hi, good evening, Swapnil.
Hi, good evening, sir.
How are you, Swapnil?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Is my voice audible?
Okay.
Okay, so can we start the interview?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so feel free, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we'll start the interview. So quickly introduce yourself.
Okay. Uh, First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. And myself, Swapnil Zamble, and I'm basically from Baramati district, Pune, and but I live in Pune right now for education purpose. And coming to my education background, I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science from Vidya Pratishthan Baramati with an aggregate 88%. Also, I have completed my 12th standard from Shah High School with 71%. And also, I have completed my 10th standard from Gurupa Madhyamik Vidyalaya Vasunde with 81%. And coming to my family background, there are 5 members in my family. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife. And coming to my hobbies, I like to sketching, also swimming, and playing cricket also. And coming to my achievements, I have created one website which is online interview system using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and same website using Java technology using Servlet, JSP, and that's I think that's small achievements. And coming to my goals, I want to become a software developer, and that's all about me.
Very good, Swapnil. So can you explain more about your projects?
Okay, I created one project which is online interview system using technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL database, which takes user data, and I also takes 4 to 5 interview on that website and uploaded on YouTube channel.
Okay, very good, Swapnil. So you told about your hobbies. Your hobbies is playing cricket. So can you tell me what is the score of Virat yesterday?
Sorry, sorry.
So you told about your hobbies, right?
Yeah,
Your hobbies is watching cricket. So can you tell me the score of Virat yesterday?
yesterday 390 97 397. Yeah.
No, I'm asking the score of Virat individual.
Virat Kohli, I think 117.
Yeah. In how many balls?
Uh, how many balls? Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, very good, Swapnil. So let's coming to the technical skills, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell me how much you are rating yourself on Java out of 1 to 10?
8.
Okay, so can I include collections as well as the multi-threading?
Yes, yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, very good. So tell me quickly, what is Java?
Okay, Java is a high-level programming language which is a secure, which is a robust, which is a dynamic, and also there are 4 pillar concept, which is OOPS concept like a polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, and inheritance. And Java is mainly known for Java is platform independent because of Java bytecode. When you compile Java code, which is bytecode and which is run on any machine, that's why Java is platform independent, and that's the main reason.
Very good, Swapnil. Can you tell me about the main method? What is main method in Java?
Okay, main method is just name given by user for callable purpose by JVM. JVM call the main method, and like public static void main. Like public is access modifier. We use public because of JVM can call by anywhere, and static user for JVM will call without creating object, and public static void. Void is a return type because of main method can't return anything, that's why hide. And main is just name, which is inbuilt method. And string array is a string array which is gives any type of data and uh, convert into recommended type.
Good, Swapnil. Can you tell me what are the modifiers applicable to the main method?
um, I think only public. Yes, only public.
I'm, I'm asking about the modifiers.
Yes, public, protected, um, default, and private. There are 4 types of modifier.
Okay. So what is the static?
Static is a keyword and it is a user for the memory management. When you use static, then we need no need to create object. Without creating object, we can access static class like yes, variable method.
Okay, Swapnil. Can you tell me how many ways in how many ways we can create an object?
How many ways? Okay, using new keyword we can create object, and how many ways? Yes, there are I think instance of keyword. Using instance of you can create object.
Okay. Any more?
Anymore? Anymore? No, I don't know only two.
Okay, no issues, Swapnil. Can you tell me private keyword is applicable to the constructors?
No, we can't use private keyword for constructor,
Why? Why?
because if you use private, then we can't override. We can say we can't use in another class.
Okay, no issues. Tell me what is recursive?
Recursion means like any method is recursion. Like it's called itself. It's called recursion.
Okay, so can you write a program or how much you rate yourself in programming out of 1 to 10?
1 to 10, 7.
Okay, so can you write a program for factorial of a number?
Okay, I can write
Yes, write the program for factorial of a number using recursion.
recursion. Okay, I
Yes,
will try.
yes, please give it a try. And if you have one more program, you can write the program for reversing a logic, right? Reversing a number.
Reversing number. Okay,
Yeah, so reversing a number and this factorial of a number.
okay. Can I present a screen?
Yeah, yeah, no, 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 yeah, you can present the screen.
Yeah. थांब माझा इंटरव्ह्यू चाललाय थांब.
Yes, Swapnil, your screen is not visible. Yeah, now it's fine.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Now
yes,
it's
Swapnil, now
visible.
it's fine.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes, now it's visible. Yes, open an online compiler, or if you have any ID, you can run your program, execute it there also.
Yes, I have ID, IntelliJ ID.
Okay, okay, so you can execute it there.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Swapnil, I think your screen is
Yes,
freezed
sir.
again. Can you go back to your screen and tap on the entire screen part?
Okay, sir.
Yes, tap on the entire screen and then present.
Hello. Hello. Now it's visible.
Yes. Yes, now it is visible. Go back to some other screen. Yes.
Okay.
Then you can write the program.
First, I write the program for reverse number, sir.
Yes, write the program for reversal number. After that, you can write it for factorial of a
Yes, sir.
number using recursion.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Can I run the program?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Um, Wait, sir. Wait. I will check.
Yeah, yeah, take your time.
Ha, sir. Yes. It's completed. Hello.
Yes, good, Swapnil, very good. So now write the program for your factorial of a number using recursion.
Yeah, sir. I will try, sir.
Yes, sure. You must try. Okay, Swapnil, I can leave it. You have reached very close to it.
Okay, sir.
No issues. Yes. So now tell me, what is the name of the error if I don't write the main method?
Don't write main method.
Suppose I'm
Main
executing my
method not
program.
found.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, can we overload the main method?
Yes, there is no problem. We can happily overload main method.
Okay. Tell me, what is the current version of Java?
Java current version, I think Java JDK 22, I think.
22. Are you sure?
20, yeah, no, I think 20 or 22.
Okay. Actually, it is JDK 21.
21, yeah,
Java
okay.
21. Yes. Okay. Yes, remember it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now tell me, what is the difference between double equals to and equals method?
Okay. Equals method are used for do content comparison, and double equal to are used for address comparison, and equals method are the object class method.
Okay.
Double equal to is a operator, you can say.
So how many methods are present in the object class?
I think 11 methods are present in the object class.
Okay. Are they static or non-static?
Uh, I think it's static. I'm not sure.
Okay. So they all are non-static methods.
Non-static.
So,
Okay, sorry,
okay.
sir.
Yes. Okay. No issues. Tell me, which method is used to compare non-primitive data?
Non-primitive data. Which method are compare used for no, primitive? No, sorry, sir. I can't understand question.
Which method is used to compare non-primitive data?
Non-primitive data. Non-primitive.
Or we can say it is used to arrange the data in the ascending or descending order.
Ascending, descending order. Sorry, sir. I
Okay,
can't.
you have heard about the compare to method, right?
Yes, comparative
Compare.
method.
Yes, so compare to method is only to compare the non-primitive data,
Yes,
right? To arrange
yeah.
in the arrange ascending or descending order, right? So this compare to method, in which interface it is present?
I think comparable interface.
Okay, comparable
Yes.
interface. Now tell me, how many ways we can create thread in our
Sorry, sir. I
Java?
can't hear.
How many ways? In how many ways we can create a thread?
Create a thread using two ways. Using two ways. First, thread class and interface.
So what we have to do the thread class?
Using extending thread class, we can first call the start method, and we can write a run method.
Okay, and how with the interface?
Interface In interface direct, we can firstly create the thread class object, and then we can call the start method using that thread class object.
Okay, very good, Safan. Tell me, what are the methods present in the map interface?
Map interface. Map. I think entry is a method. Entry map.
Yes, map interface. How many methods? What are the methods present inside the map
Map.
interface?
Also put method. Hello.
Okay, okay.
Yes, there is one put method.
Okay, any more methods you know?
Yes, there are more methods, but I can't remember it right now.
Okay, no issues. So, now tell me, what is the difference between collection and collections?
Okay, collection is interface and collections is a class. That's the main difference in between collection and collections.
Okay, Swapnil, good. Can you tell me, in the catch block, suppose we have a catch block, try catch block, right? So we can have multiple blocks, multiple catch blocks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so in those multiple catch blocks, suppose I have written multiple exceptions, right? So what should be the order of those exceptions?
First we write the child class exception, and then lastly we can write parent class exception.
Can you tell me the hierarchy of the exceptions?
Hierarchy. Hierarchy exception. Like throwable is the topmost class of exception, and exception and error are the child classes of throwable. And talk about exception. Exception are caused by programmer, and errors are caused by not by caused by programmer due to some system resources. And exception can be we can recoverable, and errors are not recoverable. And talk about exception. There are two types of exception: check exception, uncheck exception. Check exception means it is checked by compiler at the time of compiling, and uncheck exception means it is not checked by compiler at the time of compiling.
Okay, very good. So, can you tell me, can we declare an interface inside another interface?
Yes, we can write.
Okay. Just last question I have. No issues, right? Okay. So, tell me, the last question I have is, what are the characteristics of hash set?
Hash set. Okay. Yes. In hash set, we can say if you want to represent group of object as a single entity, where duplicates are not allowed and insertion are not preserved, that time we use hash set. And hash set the inside data structure is hash table.
Okay. Any more characteristics?
Anymore. Mm, yes, we can say we can only insert only one null value, and it can be stored homogeneous as well as heterogeneous object. Also we can say uh, it is implemented random access interface. Yeah.
Okay, no issues. Tell me, Swapnil, just last question I have. Sorry, just last question I
Yes,
have. This
yes,
time.
sir.
Yes. So, what is the difference between final, finally, and finalize?
Okay. Final is keyword, and final is we can declare as a class method and variable. If a variable is final, then we can't change the value of variable. If a method is final, we can't override that method. And if a class is final, then we can't extend that class. We can't inherit that class. And talk about finally. And finally is a block which is associated with try catch block. And finally, which is always executed. Finally block is always executed. And talk about finalize. Finalize is a method. It is object class method, and it is used for garbage collector before the destroy the object.
Very good, Swapnil. So, thank you for attending the interview. That's all about the questions and your interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir. What is actual work for test engineer?
What is the actual work for test engineer?
Yeah.
Are you a test engineer?
Yeah.
Okay, so actually, how how the applications are developed in the IT industry.
Yeah.
So we have two teams, especially actually we have more than two teams, but basically we can classify the software development into two teams. First one is development, second one is testing, right? So development team, what it will do, it will write the code for or write the logics for your application, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the application that we made through that code that is written by the development team, that is going to the testing team to test that particular code,
Yeah.
right? If that code has some bugs, if that code has some bugs, again it will go to the development team, it will check again, the
Yeah.
development team will rectify that bug, again it will send to the testing team. So testing team will always test the application,
Yeah.
right, whether
Yes,
it
sir.
is working fine or not. Understanding? Okay, we call it as a subscript. Yes. So that's all the working of testing, and we have two different test engineers, like manual test engineers, then automation test
Yeah.
engineers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Actually, we have three. We have performance test
Yes.
engineers. Yes. So this is all about the testing.
Sir, one more question is,
Yes.
what is
Yes.
the expectation from a candidate?
What is the expectation from the candidate? You're asking as the company perspective.
Yeah, sir.
Company just ask for the technical skills,
Yeah.
good communication skills, as well as the personality of the candidate, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I think you meet all the criterias.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, no issues, Swapnil. Nice meeting you. Any more questions you have?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, Swapnil.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
So you will get the result of this meeting, of this interview in your mail ID. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Swapnil. You can leave the
Okay.
call.
Welcome, sir. Okay.